Welcome to Here and Now. Today we will explore the principle of 3, 6, and 9. A powerful concept used by many successful people to improve their lives. The principle is based on the idea that everything in life follows a pattern of 3, 6, and 9. This principle was first introduced by Nikola Tesla, who believed that these numbers held great significance in the universe. According to Tesla, the number 3 represents the fundamental energy of the universe. It is the number that defines existence and the building block of everything. It is said that everything in the universe are composed of 3 fundamental elements: energy, frequency, and vibration, which manifest in the form of subatomic particles, namely protons, neutrons, and electrons. Similarly, our lives can be divided into 3 areas: physical, mental, and emotional. By focusing on these 3 areas, we can balance our lives and achieve our goals. The number 6 represents balance and harmony. It is a crucial element in our lives, as we strive to achieve balance between work, family, and personal interests. We need to ensure that we are not neglecting any area of our life and maintain an equal balance between them. The number 9 represents the completion of a cycle. It is the number that signifies the end of one phase and the beginning of another. It is essential to complete a cycle before starting a new one to avoid getting stuck in a cycle of mediocrity. By setting specific objectives and working towards them until they are accomplished, we can continuously improve ourselves. Now that we understand the principle of 3, 6, and 9, let's see how we can apply it to our daily lives. Firstly, we can use the principle of 3 to focus on the 3 most important tasks of our day. By prioritizing these tasks, we can ensure that we are making progress towards our goals every day. Secondly, we can use the principle of 6 to maintain balance in our lives. We can divide our time and energy equally between different areas of our life, such as work, family, and hobbies. By doing so, we can avoid burnout and maintain a sense of harmony in our lives. Finally, we can use the principle of 9 to complete a cycle or achieve a goal. This means working towards a specific objective until it is accomplished, and then moving on to the next one. By doing so, we can avoid getting stuck in a cycle of mediocrity and continuously improve ourselves. Let's look at some examples of successful people who have used this principle in their lives. Elon Musk, the founder of multiple successful companies, focuses on 3 core areas in his businesses, maintains a balance between work and life, and completes one project before moving on to the next. Michael Jordan, one of the greatest basketball players of all time, focused on 3 key areas of his game, maintained a balance between training and rest, and constantly worked to improve his skills until he reached the top. In conclusion, the principle of 3, 6, and 9 is a powerful tool that can help us achieve our goals and live a more fulfilling life. By understanding this principle and applying it to our daily lives, we can tap into the natural flow of energy in the universe and use it to our advantage. So, let's embrace this principle and start living our best lives. Thank you for watching. Till we meet again.